Hi everyone, I am Mahima Simon. Today I am going to share the recipe for naan which I am making in pressure cooker. Usually we make naan in tandoori oven, but instead of that I will be showing it in pressure cooker. Okay, so for that the ingredients you need for making naan: 1.5 cups of maida, 1 tablespoon oil, baking powder 3/4 teaspoon, baking soda 1/4 teaspoon, salt 3/4 teaspoon, sugar 2 teaspoon, curd 1/4 cup, milk 1/4 cup and water 1/4 cup. So we are going to start. First I am going to mix 1 tablespoon oil into the flour. Mix it well. Now make a well in the center. Now add 1/4 cup curd, that is 2 tablespoons, 1/4 cup milk, 2 teaspoons sugar, 3/4 teaspoon salt, baking powder 3/4 teaspoon, 2 pinch baking soda. Now just cover the flour for a minute. After a minute you can add 1/4 cup of water, mix well to form a smooth dough. Now cover with a wet cloth, keep it aside for 2 hours. So after 2 hours you get a smooth dough. Now knead it again. If you want you can add little more flour. Make 4 or 5 lemon sized balls. Roll it into thin small round disc. See, if you are making garlic naan, now you can add some garlic and coriander onto this. Okay, if you are making Kashmiri naan, you can add tutti frutti or whatever you want, or paneer kulcha you can make with this. So for making garlic naan, sprinkle bit of garlic, little bit of coriander and roll it again. If it's round, you can make kulchas. Naans are usually teardrop shape. So pull one end. Similarly, make all the other naans too. We finished rolling the naan, now we are going to cook it. So we are going to cook it in a pressure cooker. Now the cooker is really hot. Apply little water at the back of the naan. Now stick it onto the cooker, base of the cooker. Now reduce flame and keep the pressure cooker upside down. If it's cooked well, it will come out easily. Now I am going to apply a little butter because I am making butter naan. Similarly, make rest of the naans. See, we finished our butter naan. It's ready to eat. You can serve it with butter chicken or mushroom masala or whatever. It's so easy. So try it at home. Thank you.